So this is going to be a quick video on like a proof of installation of the Oracle database on Windows. So here is the Oracle SQL developer that I also installed. I also installed the backend, which is the Oracle database, which I believe sits somewhere over here, right? You run the setup, it install everything for you. Also, I did install the I think it's like an extension, a Python extension, so you can connect to the Oracle database. And yeah, that's pretty much it.